Brazilian Samba easy way. So basically, we're gonna shake using our knee to let our body shake. And as we shake, we're gonna add a stepping motion to our shake. So we create that shaky Brazilian feel. So first, loosen up your knees and try on this walking exercise. Make your leg muscle shake. And as you shake, you can do small steps in place. You can change, or you can start doing crossing action. Cross, cross, step, 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 cross, cross, step. The same way we can go forward and using our knee to let our hip loose, create that shaky, incredible movement with us. Cha, 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 cha. Also for Brazilian Samba, we can have that side batucada movement. So it's more about having your body loose, having your hip free, using your knees. We can go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So this is introductory to Brazilian Samba.